Wait, no, not yet. Wait, yes, yet.
Yes.
Started.
Okay, now? Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm making Rubik's Cube scrambled eggs. That was such a bad joke.
Yes, it was.
No, it's awesome. Piece popped out. I'll put it back.
That is...
I'll scramble it.
Okay.
Why?
He's going to keep scrambling
I'm
it.
not even good at solving it. You're saying bad at scrambling it?
Well, you barely scrambled it at all. Hi. I mean, 20 minutes is 20 minutes, really. Ready? H perm. Oh, that was bad. This cube is bad, by the way. It's not me. Ah! This is actually harder than I thought. That took way longer than I thought it would.
Oh my god!
I should leave now before. I should leave.
Squish. There we go. It's fixed. What about the other side? Isn't it straight? No.